Woo-wee. All right, got a nice little one-off video for y'all today. A nice fella reached out to me and asked if I'd like to review some floor mats for a late model Equinox. So for those of y'all that follow the channel, y'all know we built that 2019 for my sister's friend Alex after she wrecked her cruise. So I had her bring it out here. She's all gimpy. She's inside right now. I guess they diced her leg up last week or something and she had surgery. So it's just us out here today. But yeah, they sent over this nice package. We got some YITA Motor floor mats. We're going to open this box up. I haven't seen them yet. I have no idea what they look like, but we are going to get them out of the box, see what kind of quality they look like. We're going to get them put into the vehicle real quick and see how good their fits are. These are specifically made for a late model Equinox. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box up and we'll take a look at what they sent. All right, here we are. Got the box open. So first thing I noticed is you got a lot of fold over packaging in here. So this looks like it's going to be for the rear hatch, and this is going to be for the rear seat. It runs lengthwise the whole way. Obviously the name of the game when it comes to pre-molded floor mats is WeatherTech, but these are a fraction of the cost. So we're going to take them out and try and look at the quality and see how they feel comparatively to some WeatherTechs. I don't have any on hand, but I have dealt with a ton of them. So we'll just kind of cross compare there, see if the reduction in price is also a reduction in quality, or if they are generally just as good, just not as expensive. So I'm gonna take them out. These, by the way, are pre-molded to fit a 2018 to 2024 Equinox. So I'm gonna get them out of the box and let's take a look at what we got. So the first mat I grabbed out of there that was folded plumb in half is this rear seat mat. It actually runs across from the driver's side to the passenger side, covers the hump and everything. It has just a little bit of a crease remaining here, but being in a hot car or sitting out in the sun or just over time, it should relax. It's not as thick of rubber as a WeatherTech mat typically is. It's more of a rubber plastic feel, but it feels sturdy. It feels sturdy, but also malleable, so it shouldn't like tear or get damaged very easily. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this back door over here and we're gonna pull out. I do believe she is still running the factory floor mat. Yes, she is. So I'm gonna yank that out and then we're gonna toss this one in and see how it looks. Well, daggum. I'll tell you, this thing didn't just fit plumb perfectly. So easy. I didn't have to move the seats forward or back, nothing. This thing just fits in here like a glove, and pushing it down into its location took out the little crease in the middle. It just looks super clean, man. And it feels perfect, easy to clean, durable. Like, I'm actually shocked, extremely shocked at how well that just went in. So I'm gonna pull out the front mats, we'll get those put in, and then we'll take a look at the back hatch. The back hatch has me the most worried. I think we may have to weigh that down and let it get hot over time, which I thought we were going to do with the back one though, and that one just sprung right to form and looks great. So let me get the front two in, and we'll look at the front mats, and then we'll do the rear hatch mat at the end. But yeah, these ones, obviously, they don't even come folded up. They got the nice little YITA motor that looks very WeatherTech-y. These are the same exact material the back one's made out of. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap these in and we'll take a look at what it looks like and how they fit. Okay, so I just put the passenger side in, and I was gonna stick this driver's side in, but check this out. It even has the little click-in holes that the factory mats have. Dude, these are nice. These are really nice, actually. Holy guacamole. Look how clean this looks, man. It fits absolutely plumb perfectly, clicks into the factory mounts, and looks incredible. Wow. You'll notice this car is not the cleanest car, but I want to point out the reason that you would want to get floor mats like this. So here's the factory set. She's had this car since, I think I built it at like 1,000 miles, and now it's at like 71,000. She has a dog, and I mean, this is just gonna happen, especially coming over to our place, living out here in the country. You're gonna get dirt and grime and stuff, and when you have the carpeted floor mats, it gets stuck all up in there. These are extremely easy to clean, and they're molded so well, they're gonna completely protect the carpet. Like, look over here on this passenger one. Look how good this is. I mean, you're protecting everything all the way up. Like, you'd have to try to get anything back on this side. These are nice. This is not the first pair of aftermarket floor mats I've reviewed, but I'm already gonna tell you these are the nicest ones I've gotten. Like, these are actually really, really well made. So we're gonna pull this out. We're gonna see how this rear hatch mat folds out and lays out. This is the one I was the most nervous about, being a quick lay, but honestly, I won't be surprised if it just looks perfect. All right, neighbor's dogs finally quieted up. All right, this is actually what I feared. This is not the end of the world. Do not panic if you order a set of these and you put it in there and it's got gaps. Also, look how dirty this is. I know she had knee surgery, but I mean, come on, Alex. But yeah, if it's gonna float up, it's gonna do this. This is how every one of them I've ever seen that gets shipped, because they fold it up. It will spring back to its form. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put some weight on that, just to hold it down, and then we'll close it all up and we'll let this Texas heat. It's overcast and like 88 today, but it should probably still be warm enough that maybe by the end of the day or tomorrow morning, it will retake its shape and it will lay perfectly flat. And once it does that, it'll be rock solid.
One eternity later.
Woohoo! Gimpy McGee has finally made it. Ay, 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 what a pain in the rear this has been, between car accidents and knee surgeries and things.
Oh, okay.
You know, but we're gonna finally take a look at these floor mats after 3 weeks of install.
Sorry, I had surgery.
Let's take a gander here though. I mean, they still look perfectly fitted and clean. Look at these bad boys. Look at that. Oh, it's all right. Nice and good. Let's see if this mat laid down in the back like I suspected it would, wherever the stupid button is.
It's not fancy.
Oh yeah, it's a base model.
Yeah.
I built this car and everything. Hey, look.
Mind the crutches.
The mat slid back a little bit with all the stuff on it, but
And also me moving.
it lays perfectly flat. I actually think I looked at it the night of, and it laid down in one night, just sitting in a warm car. So I mean, yeah, these things, there's some sort of like composite plastic rubber, it feels like, but quality made, very clean looking, install as easy as can be. If you have kids, dogs, animals, you eat in your car a lot, or you just want to preserve the value, you know, for somebody who buys and sells cars and goes to auctions and whatnot, this is one of the best things you can do. Is if you put it in a nice pair of floor mats, look at this. I mean, you're going to protect your carpet all the way around. Then when you go to sell your car, trade it in, whatever, you have that nice clean looking carpet. It looks like your car's been very well taken care of, regardless if it has or has not. And yeah, it'll up your value quite a bit. But yeah, if you are wanting a pair of these for 2018 and newer Equinoxes, I will have a link up here in the video and in the description. And yeah, I mean, if you're looking for some nice quality floor mats, these YITA Motor ones, they're the way to go.